Okay, my voice is audible. Students, my voice is audible.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Sir.
Uh, okay, so last class we have seen scales. So there are so why we are going for scale. Okay, so if you want to draw a large dimension object in a drawing sheet, okay, so that's not possible. You have to go for reducing scale. But when the size of the component is very small, but I want to draw in a drawing sheet, we have to go for enlarging scale. Okay, for that we have to apply scales. So we have seen what are the different types of scales. Six methods are there, but among that, plane scale, vernier scale, diagonal scale is your syllabus. Okay, yeah, either we'll have question from plane scale, a vernier scale, a diagonal scale, and uh, I, so plane scale. I told you we can specify two dimension. Last class we have seen this problem. So this is called meters. So this one is decimeter. Last class we have seen this problem. Okay, here this side is okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So everything is meters. Subdivision. So subdivision is decimeter. Subdivision is decimeter. So this you have to mention this side decimeter, this side meters. And last class I forgot to tell you here. You have to say that this is secondary division. You have to say this is secondary division. So this subdivision is called secondary division. So this side. So this is called primary or main division. This is called this side. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So this one all called primary or main division. Primary or main division. Primary or main division. So this side is called primary or main division. So this side is called primary or main division. Okay, primary or main division. Okay, so we have seen one, and after that we have seen what is RF, representative factor, and the formula for representative factor. Okay, and after that we have seen length of scale. So RF is there are some different formula given, distance on drawing by distance on the object, and there are so many formulas given. So we'll see one more problem today because these very basic things. Okay, we'll see one more problem, and maybe afternoon. So we'll see a problem based on diagonal scale, and probably next week we'll see next week we'll see vernier scale. I already told you exam pattern. Okay, unit test. So what you have to do? So the exam pattern is so 15 marks multi-choice objective question. Okay, so 15 marks multi-choice objective question. So remaining 15 marks. Okay, remaining 15 marks. So we'll have either ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid. Among 6 questions, you'll have 1 question. So let's scales. Okay, maximum I'll try to avoid scales. Okay.
Sir, for that choice will be there, sir. This or that.
So there'll be no choice.
Sir, will
6
scales
questions.
come for that, sir?
Scales no need to go look at because I actually just go through among 6 questions. Among that you'll have 1 question.
Okay, sir.
Either ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid. Among 6 questions you'll have 1 question, 15 marks. So remaining 15 marks. So choice, multi-choice objective question. Okay, just listen. This is very important instruction. At 8:7 or 8:8, you will receive a link in the Google Classroom. Okay, after 8:5 to 8:10, so you'll receive a link in the Google Classroom. When you just click the link, okay, so you will get a Google form. The same assignment you will get as an assignment. Okay, I'll keep on repeating. So tomorrow there'll be no time for giving any instructions. What you have to do tomorrow? So in the Google Classroom, as an assignment, you will get some link at between 8:5 to 8:10. Just click the link. You'll get a Google form, 15 question, multi-choice objective question. Just refer sample question from EG handbook. At the end of EG handbook, okay, there are some sample questions given, some solutions also given. Okay, whatever basic things I already shared, all the PPT, everything I shared. Okay, just go through the PPT, you'll get. Okay, I'm just keep on saying one more thing is part B only I told up to 6. Okay, among 6 questions, okay, 15 marks, maybe a ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, epicycloid, hypocycloid. These are all only for part B. Part A syllabus is up to scales. Part A 15 marks up to scales. Okay. So I shared all the PPT, all the content I already shared as a PDF.
Sir, part B, you lost from scales, sir.
Part B, you'll not question from scales.
Then in part B means only that the hyperbola, cycle, epicycle, that's the only diagram. That's the diagram, sir.
Among the 6 questions,
Yeah,
you'll
okay,
have
sir.
one question.
Yeah,
That
okay,
you
sir.
that you have to write in A3 sheet. You have to take a snapshot and you have to submit in a Google Classroom. It should be everything should be completed before 9 o'clock, because after that it will not be accepted. Okay, they'll freeze the time. So you do one more thing. Just make some. Okay, you have a A3 sheet. Means just make a border, everything. Write your name, roll number, everything. Just finish it.
Sir,
Okay, everything.
how to write in a A3 sheet, sir? Question and we have to write how to write, sir.
Question no need to write. Just write some given data. Eccentricity 4 by 3.
Sir, calculation
Resistance.
and all, sir.
If calculation is there, just write. Otherwise, no need to write. You'll not have that much difficult
No,
question.
sir,
This is
in
the first
pencil we
question.
have to write or in pen, sir. That's what I'm asking, sir.
Write your name, roll number in pen. Other thing,
Okay.
just question. If you want to write in pen, just write in a pen. Also, there is nothing wrong. Okay, question, right?
Okay.
And question means don't copy the question. Okay, for that there is no time. Okay, okay. What you do means just given data. Say ellipse, draw ellipse, eccentricity. What is the value? So D to focus. What is the value? That's all. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. Just construct the ellipse or parabola like that. And after completing that, you have to take a snapshot and you have to upload in a Google Classroom. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
So I'll repeat one more time. So what is the instruction I'm giving is, so tomorrow morning from 8:05 to 8:10, you'll get a assignment. You will get an assignment in Google Classroom. You'll get an assignment in Google Classroom. You just open the assignment. Okay, you'll have a link. When you just click the link, you'll have a multi-choice objective question. In the link itself, part B will be there. After completing that multi-choice objective question, part B, you'll have some ellipse, parabola, some questions will be there. So what you have to do, you have to draw, you have to construct everything. So just write your name, roll number in the top of your sheet, and take a after completing a diagram, just take a snapshot. You have to upload in Google Classroom. That assignment itself you have to upload. Okay, maybe within so tomorrow I have some other important thing. Maybe Saturday you'll get the marks. So what are the marks? Everything will be you'll receiving everything in Saturday in the Google Classroom.
Okay.
You can refer it. Okay. Okay, just note on this problem. One more problem. Plane scale. Just note on this problem. Okay, this person. Okay, just note on this problem. Construct a plane scale. Construct a plane scale. Construct a plane scale. Just pin my laptop screen. Construct a plane. Draw a plane scale of. Draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. Draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. Draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. Draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 second, I'll take attendance. Just 1 second, I'll take attendance. Okay. Draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters and show on it 37 meters. Show on it 37 meters. Show on it 37 meters. So on it 37 meters. So on it 37 meters. So on it 37 meters. Full stop. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. The maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. Okay. Just copy the question. Draw a plane scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters and show on it 37 meters. Full stop. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. So all of you copy the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just pin my mobile screen.
Okay, sir.
Just pin my mobile screen. Okay. I'm just making border. So this and all, you just do it earlier itself. Okay, today evening itself, just in a drawing sheet, make a border, write your name, roll number, because time will not be sufficient. Okay, so you have 50, you have to attend 15 multi-choice objective question. You have to do everything, and okay, you have to send it. So time will not be sufficient. Okay, sometimes once the time is over, you will not, okay, you cannot able to upload it. So that's why I'm saying, just prepare, make a border, write your name, roll number, everything. Just keep it ready. So once you got the question, just you can do that.
Sir,
Sir,
borderக்கு ஏதாவது சைஸ் இருக்கா சார்?
Uh, yeah, tell me.
sir,
Hello.
multi-choice we have to write in
Uh,
that link only, no, sir. The what you are sending, what you are sending.
Multi-choice means there will be choices, 4 choices. You have to click one.
In paper, we
And
have
after
to
that, you have
write
to
and
submit.
post to you or how, sir?
That's not required.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, sir.
as a Google form, you'll get 15 multi-choice objective question. You have to click. You'll have a four choices. You have to click one, and end of that, if you just you have to submit as a Google form. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For that, no need to give any copy, but the remaining part be 15 marks. You have to draw. You have to do maybe a construction of ellipse, parabola, something like that. After completing that, take a take a snapshot, and you have to upload in Google Classroom. That assignment itself you have to submit as a in the assignment itself you have to submit in Google Classroom.
Okay, sir.
சார் பார்டருக்கு ஏதாவது சைஸ் இருக்கா சார்? பர்டிகுலர் சைஸ் பார்டர்.
Pardon me.
பார்டருக்கு சார்.
Border. You can make it today itself. A3 sheet.
சைஸ்
just make
ஏதாவது
border.
சைஸ் ஏதாவது இருக்கா? நார்மலா எப்பவும் போடுற சைஸ் போடலாமா சார்? பார்டர்.
Naba? Left side 20 mm, right side 10 mm, top and bottom 10 mm.
ஓகே சார்.
Write your name, roll number in pen. Question also you can write in the write using pen. Except that everything you have to use pencil. Except that you have to use everything pencil. You have to use pencil. Okay. Okay. Here this problem. What are the data is given? First, I keep on saying that read the problem several times. Okay. Read the problem several times. Understand the problem. Visualize. Then start doing the problem. Okay. Don't rush up. Okay. First read the problem several times. So here it is given here. Draw a plane scale. Draw a plane scale. Draw a plane scale. So one data is given. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. One data is given. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. The data is given. Okay. And maximum length is given. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meter. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meter. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meter. And one more data is given. Mark, show on it 37 meter. You have to mark or show 37 meters. You have to mark or show 37 meters. So last problem it is given mark on a distance of something, but here it is given show on it 37 meters. 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 Okay. So these are the data is given. So RF formula. Okay. RF, what is the formula? Representative factor RF formula. There are so many formulas. I'm going to use one formula. Distance on the drawing divided by distance on the object. Here I'm going to use this formula because 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meters is given here. So you have to use this formula. Distance on the drawing. Distance on drawing. Sometimes it will be given directly, but here distance on drawing divided by distance on object. Distance on drawing divided by distance on object. Distance on drawing divided by distance on object. Distance on object. So here something is given. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. So distance on the drawing you have to take 1 centimeter. and distance on the object you have to take 5 meter. Okay. So usually it will be given, representative factor will be directly given. Some problems it will be directly given, but here it will be somewhat little bit confused. So 1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. That means, so numerator you have to take distance on drawing is 1 centimeter. Distance on the object you have to take 5 meters. So I'm going to convert this 1 centimeter divided by 5 meter. 1 centimeter divided by 5 meter. So I'm going to convert meter to centimeter. I'm going to convert this meter to centimeter. So if you want to convert centimeter to mm, 10 mm. If you want to convert centimeter to mm, 10 mm. So meter to mm. Meter to mm, that also 5 into 1000. If you want to convert meter to mm into 1000, so everything should be in same unit. You can convert same meter. If you want to convert meter to centimeter into 100, that means 1 by 500. So everything should be same unit. So numerator, denominator should be in same unit. So I'm just converting numerator into 10 mm. So meter into mm, 5000 mm. So when you just cancel mm, so RF factor will get 1 by 500. You'll get RF factor will get 1 by 500. RF factor you got 1 by 500. And maximum length is given. Maximum length is given 40 meters. So what is the length of scale formula? So you have to remember this formula. Sometimes the data will be given volume. So volume means you have to take cube root. You have to take cube root of, so numerator by denominator, that is a distance on the drawing divided by distance on the object. Sometimes it will be given area. You have to take square root. One university question they twisted, but no one tried this. If it is a cube means you have to take cube root. You have to apply. If it is square, you have to take a square root. So numerator by denominator, distance on drawing by distance on object. So you have to calculate RF. So that is the only small difference. Okay. So RF we got 1 by 500. The formula for length of scale. You know the formula for length of scale is, okay, all this I already share in the PPT. I keep on saying that, just go through. Okay, if you come to next class, if it is some basic things, just go through the PPT. There is PDF. Okay, if you don't remember something, we cannot be able to continue, right? So length of scale is, the formula is RF into maximum length to be measured. RF into maximum length to be measured. Maximum length to be measured. Maximum length to be measured. Okay. RF we already calculated 1 by 500. So maximum length to be measured is, that is given in the problem. Maximum length to be measured is given in the problem. That is 40 meter. RF, there is no unit. Okay. Representative factor, that is a factor, there is no unit. But maximum length to be measured is 40 meter. Maximum length to be measured is 40 meter. So drawing sheet will apply either centimeter or mm. So you have to convert this. So 40 meter to mm. I'm going to convert 40 meter to mm. So 1 by 500 into 40. If you want to convert meter to mm into 1000. Meter to mm into 1000. So 40,000 divided by 500. 40,000 divided by 500 will get 80 mm. So length of scale you get 80 mm. Length of scale you get 80 mm. Length of scale you get 80 mm. Okay. You should know length of scale, then only we can able to solve the problem. Length of scale is 80 mm. Length of scale is 80 mm. I'll repeat one more time. So it is given RF representative factor formula is distance on the drawing divided by distance on the object. So distance on the drawing is given 1 centimeter. Distance on the, so left side you have to take. Left side you have to take distance on the drawing. The right side you have to take distance on the object. So 1 centimeter divided by 5 meter. So I'm converting centimeter to mm into 10. So meter to mm into 1000. You'll get 10 by 5000. When you just cancel that, you'll get representative factor is 1 by 500. You get 1 by 500. Then length of scale formula is a representative factor into maximum length to be measured. Maximum length to be measured is given in the problem 40 meters. But if that value is not given, I already told you. So mark on your distance 37 meter mean what is the next round value? You can take 40 meters. Okay, mark on your scale is sometimes will be given in the problem. This problem it is given show 37 meter. Show on it in the scale. Show on it 37 meter is that is given in the problem. So what is the next round value? 40 meters. You can take 50 meter also. There is nothing wrong in that. The next nearest value. Okay, mark on your distance that value will be given. For that next nearest value you can take. If it is given 3.7 meter, you can take 4 meter. So if it is given 39 meters, you can take 40 meters or 50 meter. Next nearest value you can take. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay, length of scale you got 80 mm. Length of scale you got 80. Length of scale you got 80 mm. Length of scale you got 80 mm. Length of scale you got 80 mm. So then what we have to do? So using so you have to draw a horizontal line. You have to draw a horizontal line. You have to draw a horizontal line with the value of 80 mm. With the value of 80 mm. So draw a horizontal line. You have to draw a horizontal line with the value of 80 mm. With the value of 80 mm. So draw a horizontal line. So this should be equal to length of scale. This should be equal to length of scale. This should be equal to length of scale. So after calculation, you got length of scale is something 80 mm. Okay, I already told you in exam only the scale and marking should be visible. The dimension line, I'll just use 2H pencil or 4H pencil or 3H pencil. It should be very light. This is 80 mm. Then, so from this, draw a vertical line. Either for 2 mm, I already told you. If you just see a scale, the width may be something like this, maybe 2.5, 3.5. So it maybe you can take 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter or 4 centimeter. Just don't go beyond that. Appearance will not be good. So for my convenience, I'm taking 2 centimeter, the width of the scale. So width of the scale, I'm taking 2 centimeter. So you can take 3 centimeter also. There's nothing wrong in that. So from this 2 centimeter, draw a line here. So from this 2 centimeter, draw a vertical line. So make it as a rectangle. Make it as a rectangle. Make it as a rectangle. So it's look like a scale. It look like a scale. It look like a scale. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. Length of scale is 80 mm. Okay. And so we have to mark. Okay. We have to mark maximum length to be 40 meters. Just see here, maximum length to be 40 meters. Maximum length is 40 meters. Okay, maximum length is 40 meters. So what we have to do? This we have to divide into 4. This we have to divide into 4. This we have to divide into 4. So what you can do means, so 40 meter means you can take 10 meters like that. Okay, so 40 meter means how you can divide. So maximum length is 40 meter. So last column, the value is given, I think 4 meters, something like that. Last column it is given, maximum is 5 meters. Maximum is 5 meters. We are divided into 5 equal parts. But here, so maximum length to be measured is 40 meters. 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. If the maximum length is 400 meters, 100, 200, 300, 400. The maximum length is in terms of 4,000. Then you have to divide 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 400. Okay, this is a concept you have to remember. So last column, we have to mark only something 3.4 meter or something like that. So 3.4, something like that. So maximum length is given 5 meters. So then we are divided 1, 2, 3, 4. But here maximum length is 40 meters. We have to consider here 10, 20, 30. If it is given maximum length is
80 and the mari kuttavanga eppadi sir
80 na if it is given 80 meters sir appo enna pannu you have to divide this into 8 equal parts. You have to divide into 8 equal parts. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this side negative side 10 okay, you'll get 80 meters. Okay, if it is 300 meters, so then what you have to do? 100, 200, 300. So if it is given 3,000. So what you have to do? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Like that you have to divide. So here, I'm going to divide. Maximum length is 4 meters. We have to divide this into 4 equal parts. We have to divide this into 4 equal. Last problem, maximum length is given 5 meters. I divided into 5 equal parts. But this problem it is given. Maximum length is given 40 meters. I'm going to divide this into 4 equal parts. So with the value of 2. So 8 by 2, 8 by 4, you'll get 2. So the value is 80. So I have to divide this into 4 equal parts. You'll get 20 mm. I have to divide this into 4 equal parts. You get 20 mm each. Then, so I'm just giving name here 0. This only you have to give 0. Here 1, 2, 3. So here also you have to give just value of 1. Just give a value of 1. Just give a value of 1. Sorry, I'm sorry. Extremely sorry. I'm extremely sorry. We have to mark 10. Okay, 10, 10, 20, 30. So last column, only 5 meters. We mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, in terms of 40 meters, we have to mark 0, 10, 20, 30. This side minus this side 10. Then from each point, From each point, draw a vertical line. From each point, draw a vertical line. From this, draw a vertical line. From this, draw a vertical line. So I already told you that you can follow one more methodology also. If the distance is somewhat complicated, if you're getting 84, so draw a line here, just divide it into 4. So from this, connect your line. So just move the, using minute after, just move it, parallel lines, just move parallel lines, this length will be divided into 4 equal parts. Otherwise, just measurement also you can do it. It is 80 mm, if you divide into 4, you get 20. Then, this somewhere in the middle, okay. So this is 20 mm width, I'm taking 10 mm. Okay, so here I'm just drawing some line here, somewhere in the middle, just drawing some line here. Okay. So this we have to divide into 10 equal parts. We have to divide into 10 equal parts. That depends on dimension. So I'm going to divide into 10 equal parts. This is 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So like that. You have to divide this side. So this is, I already told you, this is called secondary division. So this is called secondary division. So this is called primary division. 0, 10, 20, 30. This is called primary division. This is called primary division. The 0 to 10 is called secondary division. This is called secondary division. And so just mark it here. So just you can give a name here. Secondary division. So only this area is called secondary division. So 0 to 30, this is called primary or main division. Primary or main division. So this is called secondary division. From each point, draw a vertical line. Okay, in a scale. Okay, this is 1 centimeter. We are dividing it into subdivision. So this is secondary division. So this is prime. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This is primary division. So this is all subdivision. This is called secondary division. So you have to do from this side. We have to give name. From this side, we have to give names here. Just giving name here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
டிவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க
அப்ப
அந்த 1 2 3 மார்க் பண்றீங்க சார் அந்த இடத்துல அதை எப்படி சார் டிவைட் பண்ணீங்க
this value is 2 centimeter. We have to divide into 10 equal parts. Okay, we have to divide into 10 equal parts.
10 parts தான் டிவைட் பண்ணுமா?
அது சொல்ல முடியாது. Sometimes okay, here just see here. So this problem they asked to mark, show it on 37. This problem is given, show it on 37 meters. Okay, so now it is 10, 20, 30. So exactly at 7, 37 meters you can mark it. But sometime okay, you'll have some different decimeter, centimeter. So that depends on unit. So last problem what we are saying is 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. Here also same thing. 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. Here also same thing. 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter. So each unit is 1 decimeter. In case 5 decimeters equal to 1 meters, then we have to divide it into 5 equal parts. Okay, this problem. So each subdivision is each subdivision is 10 decimeter. So 1 meter is 10 decimeter. I'm just dividing this divided by 10. Okay, for example, the scale is inch. We know 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. Okay, based on that we have to divide. Okay, based on that we have sometimes we'll have a foot unit. So some different thing is that 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 yard is 3 feet. Okay, this will be in yards. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is also yard. 1 yard is 3 feet. Then we have to divide into 3 subdivision. Okay, if it is in yards, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is also yard. So if you want to divide yard to feet, so 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. You have to divide only 3 subdivision. Sometimes 1 feet is 12 inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. So everything, just imagine everything is in feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is in feet. If you want to divide 1 feet is 12 inches. We have to divide into 12 subdivision. We have to divide into 12 subdivision. So that depends on. Okay, here, okay, what is the relation between centimeter and mm? 10. Centimeter to relation, centimeter to mm is, okay, 10 mm is 1 centimeter. So we have to divide into 10 subdivision. So here 10 decimeter is 1 meter. We have to divide into 10 subdivision.
Sir,
So
but the
sometimes
1 centimeter is equal to 5 meter தானே சார் கொடுத்துருவாங்க.
1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm.
5 meters கொடுத்துருவாங்க சார்.
1 centimeter is 10 mm. We have to divide into 10 subdivision. If it is given in yards, so 0, 1, 2, 3, here also 1. So 1 yard is 3 feet. You want to divide subdivision 3 feet. Then we have to divide into 3 subdivision. Okay, that depends on unit. So last class PPT I given so much relation that you have to mug up. You should remember the relationship. Otherwise we cannot able to solve the problem. You have to mug. Sometimes here will be given feet. 0, 1, 2, 3. Feet is, that is a British unit. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1. But 1 feet is 12 inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. We have to divide this into 12 subdivision. We have to divide this. So whatever the length, just measure it. Whatever the length, measure it. So if it is 20, 20 divided by 12, that we have to divide this and you have to draw a line here. Okay, that depends on unit. It depends on. Suluba. Is it clear? Okay, so from each point, draw a vertical line. From each point, draw a vertical line. I already told you this is secondary division. This is primary division. From
Sir,
each point, draw a vertical line. Suluba.
சார் இந்த क्वेश्चनல வந்து 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 மீட்டர்னு கொடுத்துறாங்க. அப்ப 5 பார்ட்ஸா டிவைட் பண்ண கூடாதா?
இது வந்து ஸ்கேல். அதாவது என்னன்னா இது வந்து ஸ்கேல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது வந்து ஸ்கேலுக்கா அப்படி இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து ஸ்கேலுக்கா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. சரியா? திஸ் இஸ் என்ன சொல்ல வரீங்க? புரியல.
1 சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 மீட்டர்னு கொடுத்துறாங்கல சார். அப்ப அந்த செகண்டரி
RF தான் ரெப்ரசன்டேட்டிவ் ஃபேக்டர்க்கா கொடுத்தாங்க. ஒரு சைடுல லெஃப்ட்ல இருக்குதுன்னா டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆன் தி டிராயிங், இன்னொரு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆன் தி ஆப்ஜெக்ட். இது வந்து டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆன் தி டிராயிங். இப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்னா ஸ்கேல்ல நீங்க ஸ்கேல்ல வந்து 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் நீங்க மார்க் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் மார்க் பண்ணினா தட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 மீட்டர் அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் ஸ்கேல்ல மார்க் பண்ணினா தட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 மீட்டர். இப்போ மார்க் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கல்ல, இதுல 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 மீட்டர், அடுத்த 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 5 மீட்டர் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது ப்ராப்ளம்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இது வந்து one side is distance on the drawing, one more side is distance on the object. Then from each point draw a vertical line. 3, 4, 5 draw a vertical line. 6 draw a vertical line. 7 draw a vertical line. 8 draw a vertical line like this. Okay, from 9 draw a vertical line. So problem it is given show on it 37 meters. So this is 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meters. So from here 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the point of 7, so you have to draw a line here. So from this, you have to draw a line here. Okay. So just make a dimension. You have to do this also. So just give an arrow. Just say that this is 37 meters. This is 37 meters. Sometime 2 data will be given. You have to mark. So show it on 37 meters and 10 meters. So then what you can do? So from here you can draw one line here. You can draw one line here. So just make an arrow. This is 10 meters like that. You have to make arrow. You have to say that this is 10 meters. You have to say this is 10 meters. You have to say this is 10 meters. Okay. I'll give one more column. Okay. Just try. If you have any doubt, I'll give some time. Just try this column. Okay. If you have any doubt, then ask me. I'll do it in the screen. I already told you. So this you have to divide based on the value, maximum length. So if it is 40, you can divide. Okay, the maximum, just see 40 means, just see here, when you just count here, 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, the total length of scale should be 40 meters. You should not change that. So maximum length, last column, 5 meter. That means it will be divided into 5 subdivision. Based on maximum length, you have to mark. Otherwise, we can't able to solve the problem. Okay, last problem is 5 meter, into 5 subdivision. So this problem, maximum length is, this problem,
Sir,
maximum
on doubt,
length
sir. Sir, ஏன் சார் 37 meters வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து எடுக்கல மெஷர்மென்ட்?
இங்க இருந்து கூட எடுக்கலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது.
Okay,
இங்க
sir.
இருந்து சரி இங்க இருந்து எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 7 எங்க மார்க் பண்ணீங்க சொல்லுங்க. If you take from this side, if you just take from this side, just take from this 7 எங்க மார்க் பண்ணீங்க subdivision இருக்கு. If you take from this
Okay,
side,
sir.
where is the 0.7 meters is there? If you take this side only 10, 20, 30, here 7 division is there, so you can take 37 meters.
Okay,
If you
sir.
take from this side, here 10, 20, 30, where is the 7 here? This is the second division, this is the main division. This side, we are not divided into 7, so we cannot able to mark. We have to take from this side only. If it is 17 meters, so from this it is 17 meters, so draw a line here. So from here, you have to draw a line here. So this is 17 meters, like that you have to mention.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one more thing I already told you. Okay. Sometimes one university question they ask like that. Okay. Everything, so distance on the drawing, distance of the object is given in mm cube volume. Then what you have to do? You have to take cube root. So 100 mm cube and divided by 20 mm cube. Okay. So like that you have to take this value, you have to divide, this will be cancelled, 100 by 20, you have to take cube root, that will be the representative factor, that will be the representative factor, that will be the representative factor. So that will be twisted like that. I already told you, if it is given, the value given in area, so square root, you have to take square root, the value is given in area, you have to take square root of distance on the drawing divided by distance on the object. Okay, just try this problem. Some time. Once again, take attendance.
வாய்ஸ் கேட்கல சார்.
Once again,
சார் விட்டு விட்டு கேக்குது சார்.
சொல்லுவா
விட்டு விட்டு கேக்குது சார். விட்டு விட்டு கேக்குன்னு சொன்னேன் சார்.
சொல்லுவா சத்தமா கேக்கல
சார். இல்ல சார், பிளர்ரா கேக்குதுன்னு சொன்னேன் சார்.
பிளர்ரா கேக்குதா? ஓகே. You know this? Just try this problem. You know this in a map of 36 kilometer. In a map of 36 kilometer is shown by a line. So all the data is given in a map of. I already told you the height of scale. You can take 10 mm, 20 mm. So that depends on. Just imagine, in the geometry box, the height of the scale is maybe 20 or 25 mm. So like that you can take 10 mm or 20 mm or 15 mm or 20 mm. There is no fixed rule. There is no fixed rule. You can change the scale, height of the scale. There is nothing wrong in that. If you just have wooden scale, the height will be something different. Okay. So there are some steel scale, the height will be something different. If you have plastic scale, the height of the scale is something different. Okay. In a map of 36 kilometer distance is shown by a line 45 centimeter long. It is 45 centimeter long. Calculate the representative factor and construct a plane scale. Construct a plane scale to read kilometers and hectometers. To read kilometers and hectometers for maximum length is 12 kilometer. Maximum distance is 12 kilometer. For maximum distance is 12 kilometer. So a distance of 8.3 kilometer on it. show 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 a distance of 8.3 kilometer on it. So representative factor. Okay. So there are in the drawing dimension is distance on the drawing is given 45 centimeter. Distance on the drawing is 45 centimeter, but original distance on the object is 36 kilometer. Okay, distance on the object is the distance, original distance, actual distance is 36 kilometer. So 45 divided by 36 kilometer. If you want to convert to kilometer to meter into 1000, so meter to centimeter into 100. The numerator is 45 centimeter. Denominator also should be in centimeter. So to convert 36 kilometer to meter into 1000. So meter to centimeter into 100. RF is representative factor is 1 by 80,000. 1 by 80,000. The length of scale, the formula is representative factor into maximum length to be measured. Maximum length is given. Maximum distance is given. So 12 kilometer. So 1 by 80,000 into 12 kilometer. So if you want to convert kilometer to centimeter, kilometer to meter into 1000. So 1 by 80,000 into 12 into 1000. That will be in meter. So meter to centimeter into 100. So 1000 into 100. So kilometer to centimeter. Okay, kilometer to meter into 1000. 12 into 1000. 1 by 80,000 into 12 into 1000 into you have to multiply meter to centimeter into 100. Into 100, if you just multiply, you get 15 centimeter. Then what we have to do? So we have to with the value of 15 centimeter, you have to draw a horizontal line. So we have to make as a rectangle. Then what is the maximum length to be measured? 12. Maximum length is measured 12. So that 15 centimeter, we have to divide into 12 equal parts. And after first subdivision, we have to take 0, 1, 2, 3, something like that up to 11. This side 1. Okay, same method. Just try this problem. But there 1 kilometer is 10 hectometers. What are the subdivision? What is the subdivision? So we have to divide into 10 equal parts. So 1 kilometer is 10 hectometers. So we have to divide second division. That value divided by 10 subdivision. Just try this problem. Have you copied the problem? All of you copied the problem. Note on the problem. Okay, just note on the up to the length of scale. Just copy it. Just try this problem.
சார் ஒரு டவுட் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
அந்த 15 சென்டிமீட்டர் எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சு?
15 சென்டிமீட்டர் எப்படி இருந்ததா? நான் சொன்னேன் லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் நான் வந்து ரெண்டு டர்ம்ஸ் பார்த்தோம். What is the representative factor? The distance on the drawing divided by distance of the object. That's the representative factor. The distance on the drawing is given 45 centimeter. Distance on the actual distance or actual size of the object, that is 36 kilometer. Rending pota, what you got? 1 by 80,000. Representative factor you got 1 by 80,000. Length of scale enna formula? Length of scale is representative factor into maximum length or maximum distance. So representative factor is 1 by 80,000 into maximum distances that is given in the problem 12 kilometer. Maximum distance is given in the problem 12 kilometer. Yeah, maximum distance is given 12 kilometer. Sometimes the maximum distance is not given. What you can do? Show a distance of 8.3 kilometer. That's next value enna edukalam? You can take 9 meter or 10 meter. If the value maximum distance is not given, show a distance of 8.3 kilometers given. What is the next value? You can take 9 kilometer or 10 kilometer. You can take next round value. But here it is given maximum distance is 12 kilometer. So 1 by 80,000 into 12 kilometer. So representative factor, there is no unit. 1 by 80,000 into 12 kilometer. This is in kilometer. You have to convert into scale. You have to convert into drawing sheet size. So kilometer to meter. 1 by 80,000 into 12 into 1000. So that will be converted into meter. So meter to centimeter into 1000. So 1 by 80,000 into 12 into 1000 into 100. You'll get in terms of centimeter. That is 15 centimeter. But maximum length is 12 kilometer. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்னா 15 centimeter line வரைஞ்சிட்டு அத 12ஆ டிவைட் பண்ணனும். சரியா? 15 centimeter ஒரு லைன் வரைஞ்சிட்டு 12ஆ டிவைட் பண்ணனும். ஒரு மெயின் டிவிஷன் எவ்வளவு? 1 kilometer. அடுத்தது செகண்ட் டிவிஷன் is 1 kilometer is 10 hectometers. 10 hectometers. We have to mark a distance of 8.3 kilometer. If it is going 8, directly you can mark, but 8.3. So second division we have to divide into 10 subdivision. Why I am dividing into 10? 1 kilometer is 10 hectometers. Sometime I already told you. So yard will be given. So 1 yard is 3 feet. You have to divide into 3 subdivision. Sometime it will be given feet and inches. So 1 feet is 12 inches. We have to divide into 12 subdivision. That depends on unit. That depends on unit. You have to divide subdivision. So here 1 kilometer is
சார்
10
நம்ம
hectometers.
வந்து ஸ்கேல்ல வந்து நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணுமா சார்? யார்ட்ஸ் ஹெக்டோன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணுமா சார்? அப்போ
அதான் இங்க கொடுக்கணுமே. You have to mention here. This side you have to mention left side. Okay. Just see the PPT. Okay. So here, you have to mention hectometer. Here you have to mention kilometer. You have to mention here. Here this is second. You have to mention here secondary division. You have to mention here primary division. You have to mention this is primary division. This is primary division. This is primary division. Like this. PPT visible up. Okay. 0 this side you have to mention hectometer. You have to just give a notation of HM. Just say that this is secondary division. So this 0 to 11 you have to say that is primary division. So this is in kilometer. This is in kilometer. This is in kilometer. There you have to mark. There you have to mark. That is they asked to mark 8.3. So this is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8. So from here point from here 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have to mark a distance. You have to say this is 8.3 kilometers. Say this is 8.3 kilometers. You have to say this is 8.3 kilometers. You have to say this is 8.3 kilometers. Is there any doubt? Okay, so I'm going to close this line scale. Evening we'll see a diagonal scale. Is there any doubt? Doubt Gaba? Otherwise, I think time is there. Time is not there. Time will come. Time is over.
Sir.
Okay. I take attendance. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometerன்றனால அதை 10 டிவைட் பண்ணுமா சார் செகண்டரி டிவிஷன்ல?
What? One second. I'll take it. சொல்லுங்க என்ன? No doubt.
அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ல 1 கிலோமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 10 ஹெக்டோமீட்டர்ஸ்ன்றனால செகண்டரி டிவிஷன்ல 10 டிவைட் பண்ணலாமா?
இப்போ வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து நம்ம எல்லாமே யூனிட் வந்து ஃபீட்ல இருக்குன்னு வெச்சீங்களா? எல்லாமே வந்து ஃபீட்ல இருக்கு. நீங்க வந்து can you pin my mobile screen? Pin my mobile screen. சரியா? இப்போ வந்து ஃபீட்ல இருக்குன்னு வெச்சீங்களா? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணனும்? இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ணனும்? You have to say 0 1 2 3. So this is also 1. Everything is in feet. So they asked to mark feet and inches. So 3.4 3.4 inches 3.4 feet அப்படினு கொடுக்கறானா என்ன பண்ணனும்னா 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. Then we have to divide this into 12 equal parts. Into 12. Sometimes there is one more unit is there, yards. These are all British unit. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is in yards. Okay, so they asked to mark 2.3 yards. But 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 yard is 3 feet. 1 yard is 3 feet. Then what we have to do? We have to divide into 3 subdivision. We have to divide into. So this is called feet. This is called feet. This is secondary subdivision. So this is called primary division. This is in yards. So we have to divide into 3 subdivision because 1 yard is 3 feet. We have to divide into 3 subdivision. If you want to convert 1 feet to 12 inches, so you have to divide this into 12 subdivision. So that depends on unit area. Scale enna mark area. What is the scale it is marked? Scale. What is the scale it is marked? So 1 centimeter is 10 mm. So we are divided into 10 subdivision. We are divided into 10 subdivision. So just see here. அப்ப inches இங்க இருக்கு. இங்க inches இருக்கு. So this from here inches 1 inch is 25.4 mm. So this they are dividing it into. So what about this distance? 25.4 divided by 2. That is okay. We'll get so something 12.7. Get 12.7 something like that. So this is 12.7. அப்ப each subdivision எவ்வளவுப்பா? இப்ப இந்த மாதிரி டிவைட் பண்ணா மார்க் பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸி. நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன், you can divide this into, okay, for example, if you divide into some other subdivision, you should know what is the value. Okay, it's very difficult to mark. So just follow the standard units. So that is 1 feet is 12 inch means just divide into 12. So if you want to mark yard and feet means you have to divide into 3 feet. I already told you the first and the PPT I already shared all the unit conversion, basic unit conversion. You have to remember, you have to mug up. Otherwise, we cannot be able to solve the problem. You should know all the relations. Some basic relations I already shared in the PPT. Here, hectometer, kilometer, centimeter, meter. This basic conversion is required. Otherwise, we cannot be able to solve the problem.
Sir. Sir, can you upload the video of what you've drawn today, sir?
Yeah, I'll send it.
Okay.
Still now I send it. Yesterday also I shared scales also. So this also I send it. Is there any doubt still now? I'm going to close. Is there any doubt? Okay, one second I'll take attendance. Is there any note? Is there any doubt? I'm just completing this. So evening we'll see a diagonal scale. Okay, I already told you plane scale. So only after fraction. Okay, after fraction, okay, maybe one division. But if it is a diagonal scale, after fraction you can two subdivision. And one more thing is simultaneously you can mark 3 units. So plane scale and vernier scale only 2 units, maybe meter, centimeter, hectare, something like only two units. But diagonal scale we can able to mark 3 units. Okay, feet, yard, inches. Simultaneously we can able to mark 3 units. So that will see evening. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.